In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord About Me. If you've ever wanted a quick way to introduce yourself on Discord, maybe a short bio, a fun tagline, or a note about your interests, the About Me section is exactly where that belongs. It shows up on your profile and your user card, so friends and server members can get a snapshot of who you are at a glance. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app on Windows or Mac, or just open Discord in your web browser. Either way works the same for this. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your avatar and username, and right next to that is a small gear icon. Click that gear to open user settings. This is where you control everything related to your account and preferences. Inside user settings, find the Profiles section. Depending on your version, it might also be labeled User Profile. Go ahead and select it. This page is dedicated to how you appear to others, and it includes your banner, avatar, and the About Me field. Now, locate the About Me text box. Click inside and start typing your bio. You have space for roughly 190 characters, so keep it concise and meaningful. Think of it like a headline about yourself. You can keep it friendly and fun. Something like coffee-fueled coder, always learning, or music lover, strategy game fan. Emojis work well for personality, and short lines are easier to skim. Avoid sharing personal details like email addresses, phone numbers, or anything sensitive. Treat this as public info that anyone who views your profile might see. If you're active in professional or school-related servers, keep the tone appropriate for all audiences. When your message feels right and fits within the limit, scroll down the page. You'll see a button labeled Save or Save Changes. Click that to lock in your new bio. If you navigate away without saving, your text won't stick, so make sure you press it. After saving, your updated About Me will appear on your profile immediately, and it will sync across the desktop app and the browser version automatically. That's all there is to it. You can come back to this page anytime to refresh your bio as your interests change or you want to highlight something new. A strong About Me helps others connect with you quickly, so keep it clear, positive, and uniquely you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Discord profile.